Before starting, one second. Okay. So, do you have any query related to any topic? Anyone having any query related to any topic that we have discussed till now? Everything is clear? Okay.
Ma'am,
So, yes.
I didn't attend the last class.
Okay. So, you can check recorded lecture, Surya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So, I'm sharing a PPT with you. Is the PPT visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we were discussing elements of on-page SEO, right? Keyword research was done, visual content, images and videos section was done. Page titles, that is SEO title, that we have already discussed. Meta descriptions we have discussed. Image alt text we have discussed. Page URLs we have discussed, and internal linkings we have discussed. Any query related to these topics? Anyone, any doubt, any query related to these topics? No?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am. Image alt text, have a doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, tell me. What is the query?
Image alt text, ma'am.
Okay, you don't know what is image alt text, right?
Yes, ma'am. Somewhat.
Okay. So image alt text is actually it is alternative text for what is there in image, right? I'm sharing a screen where it appears and what is image alt text, where we can update this on the website that I'm sharing. One second. Mm, is my website visible?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it visible? Okay. So on the website, when we upload any image, like I'm adding here new post, and in this post, if I'll add any image, like let's for example, this is an image. Okay, I have uploaded this image to my post, to my website. So this is the section where we have to update alternative text or alt text. What is alt text? Alt text actually define what this image is about. Okay, alternative text for an image. Okay, basically this is for people who cannot see the image on the screen. Okay, the people who are visually impaired, how will they know what this image is about, what is there in this image? So they know this by this alternative text. Okay, this is actually the written copy that appears in place of an image on a web page. Okay, in cases where people cannot see the image, and in the case when the image fails to load on a user screen. Okay, so this text helps screen reading tools describe images to visually impaired readers and allow search engines to better crawl and rank your website. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, So this is image alt text. And uh, if we want to rank our images well, we should include alternative text in our images. Okay. And other than this, we have to update this um, caption and description also, right? In the description part, you can write alternative the keywords that you have found in the while the keyword research you were doing, the keywords that is related to this image and your heading to that keyword you can include in the description and in the alternative text as well. Okay, but both should be different. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Ma'am, we have to use separate tools for loading about the image, or we can just type the matter and we can put it.
You can just type the this keyword, and that's it. You have to type the keyword or the alternative text, and you have to click the select. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this was the image alt text. After this, we have next thing, that is headers and structured markup. This we will cover, right? So what are headers and what we can include in headers? Can anyone tell me what we can include in headers? Headers are the headings that we form in the content. Okay, when we write the content, when we write any article, we used to write headings, right? Headings, subheadings. So what how we can form in heading in the content? Can anyone tell me? Let's say my topic is digital marketing. So what headings should I include in this article? One by one, everyone has to tell. Okay, so Anirban, can you please unmute yourself? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
can you please tell me what heading I can include? Any one heading you have to tell. What one heading or subheading I can include in the article that's focus keyword is digital marketing?
Uh, means articles means the front, no, means the title which you got.
Article means content. Content, we are
Okay.
writing a content on digital marketing topic, and we want to add headings and subheadings in the content, right? So like
Okay.
when we used to write essays, so we make headings, na, headings and subheadings in the essay. So just like that, we are preparing an article on the topic digital marketing, and I want to add heading and subheading in this content. So what is the one heading that I can include here? How
Uh,
will you decide that?
we will I will decide. That it should not be means such heading will be there that should not be repeated.
Okay.
Or some means it's not be used by different people, because
Hmm.
I had to be some unique headlines, so that
and and how will you find that unique heading or subheading, Anirban?
uh, by searching, by using search engine optimization.
Search engine optimization. Okay.
No,
Not exactly search engine optimization, we will use keyword research, right?
yeah, yes, yes, ma'am. Oh, sorry, keyword research. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, correct, correct. Very good. So we will
Okay.
use keyword research tools, okay, and we will find
Okay.
we will write a list of keywords related to our main topic, right? And
Yes,
we
yes,
will
ma'am.
use
Mm,
those keywords, those important keywords and related keywords in our
mm,
content, right? And we will
yes,
form
ma'am.
headings and subheadings in our content. Very good, Anubhav. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
So this is how you have to create headers in your content, right? Is that clear how to create headers in your content, everyone? Okay. Now, uh, next is Structured markup. What is structured markup? Any idea about that? Structured markup. Anyone? No idea? So structured markup is actually it is also known as structured data. Okay, it is a code that helps search engines interpret and categorize the content on a web page. Okay, let me tell you in detail. One second, I'm sharing a screen. I'm sharing a PPT, or I will share. Is my screen visible? Is it visible? I'm searching here. Hmm, paneer recipes. Okay, paneer recipe. Now, is my screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, when I search for paneer recipes here, you can see the results here. Okay, these are some results that contains images and ingredients, ratings, reviews, everything, right? Then here also ratings, reviews, images, everything is covered. Mm, then if I'll click on this, here it is visible, and these results are normal results, right? These results are normal results. So why these results and these results are different? Any idea about this? Why these results are different from one another? No, this is because of structured markup. Okay, so structured markup is actually it is a code that we add to our web pages to help search engines better understand the content of our website. Okay, and when search engine understands the content of our website well, it will display the content of our website in rich format. These results that you see at the top, these results are known as rich format results. Okay, या फिर rich snippet you can say. Okay, and these results comes because of structured markup. Okay, so what are the different types of structured markup and how they are important for search engine optimization? Let's discuss. Sorry.
Ma'am,
So, yes.
I'm here. When we use the structure markup in the backend, they will use HTML now, ma'am.
When we are using coding, we can use HTML codes, and when we are working on WordPress, we will use plugins for that. Okay, so
Okay,
we are actually working on WordPress only. So I will tell you how to use the plugins for structured markup. Okay,
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
yeah. So first of all, why schema markup is important for search engine optimization? Schema markup is important for SEO, not just because it directly impacts your ranking in search results, but because there are other benefits too. For example, first, the schema markup helps search engines understand the context and content of your pages more effectively. Okay, so this is the first reason, and this actually improves understanding, and this improved understanding can lead to your pages being shown for more relevant search queries, right? Which actually translates to more traffic on your website, right? So ultimately it is giving you more traffic on your website, and you can convert that traffic into your paid customers, right? So this is the very first importance of schema markup, right? Second importance of schema markup is it enhances the appearance of your page in the search results. For example, in this result, if you will see, the people, yeah, for we also are more likely to click on these results rather than on these results, this normal results, right? Agreed or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So the structured markup, this enhances the appearance of your web page on search results. This means people are more likely to notice and click on your pages, right? That is, it will actually improve the click through rate on your website, right? Clear? First and second importance is clear. Now, third importance of schema markup is it this schema actually gives you a competitive edge. Means still there are many websites who are not using schema markup on their websites, right? So when you do this, when you use the schema markup on your website, you are getting ahead of the curve, right? It is a very no we can say it is a competitive edge that makes your website stand out of the crowd, right? So all these things contribute to your overall website SEO performance, and this actually brings you more business, right? So this is how schema markup is important for your website. Clear? Importance of schema markup is clear. Any doubt in this? Okay. Now, let's see what are the different types of schema markup. I will explain you every type of schema markup, and I will show you the examples also. Okay. So, there are various types of schema markup actually. Google, for example, it supports 35 types in total, right? But on our website, we actually don't need to use each one of these. We will only use some of them that are important for digital marketers, right? So we will understand only those types, right? So there are product markups, review markups, article markups, course markups, organization markups. So let's understand what are these types of markups. First of all, product markup, right? So what is product markup? Product markup actually gives Google more information about your product, so that searchers can see more details directly on the results page, right? What information it will give? For example, it will include the product's image, product's rating, how many people have given rating on this product, and what is the rating of this particular product, that we can see. Then price is visible, shipping information is visible, return information is visible, and availability of this product is visible, right? So all these informations will be included in the search result page itself, right? So users can see them directly on the search engine result page and decide whether they want to click on this page or not. Okay. So how it looks like, for example, I will search for women's shoes. So these are the sponsored results. These are the sponsored results, right? But this one is the normal result. This is the structured backup results, right? So it contains image also, rating is also available, reviews are also available, right? And price is also available, right? So you can decide from here only if you want to purchase this or not, right? So this is the example of um, this is also an example of, see, slider is also available. The image of that product from different angle is also available here, right? So a user can decide from this page only if he wants to purchase this product or not, right? Clear how the product markup looks like? Is it clear? Any doubt in this? Okay. After this, we have another type of schema markup, that is um, review markup, right? Um, what is review markup? Review markup is actually it adds a star rating to the bottom part of your results page entry, right? For example, in this result, if you can see the star rating, okay, so this is also because of the structure review markup, okay. This one 3.7, 4.1, 4.6, these are the star ratings, okay. So this is known as review markup, right? Clear? So these type of markup review markup is actually helpful for e-commerce websites, and it shows searchers what other people think of your product, services, or business, right? This is helpful because customers use this information because before making a purchase, right? Even if I will purchase something online, so I will check reviews first, right? So this is how this review markups actually help, and this is ideal for websites that feature content on books, movies, products, courses, etc., right? So this is review markup. After review markup, we have article markup. So what is article markup? Can anyone tell me what is article markup? Any idea about this? Varnita, can you tell me what is article markup?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. So see, article markup is actually, it provides Google with detailed information about the content of an article, right? Means what is there in the content. For example, the title of your content, featured image of your content, who is the author of this content, and when this content was published, okay, all these details are there in the article markup, okay. For example, mm, you can check the top stories section in the on the search and result page. Let's search for Indian Indian elections, India elections, elections in India, elections, elections 2024. Okay, so these are the top stories, right? So these are the examples of article markup. Here you can see when this article was published. Okay, the author is here, title is here, right? These things are available. This is known as article markup, right? Clear how article markup looks like? So in some of the results you can see okay, you can see author also, and in some results author is not available, okay. So this is how article markup looks like, right? So this markup is particularly useful for news articles, blog posts, and sports articles, right? After this, next type of schema markup we have is course markup. What is course markup? Course markup gives Google detailed information about educational courses offered by an institution or an online platform, right? And this includes details of the course title, and a brief description, name of the instructor or the institution, and other relevant information about that course, right? So Google can display this information directly in the search results page, and offering potential learners a snapshot of what the course actually entails, right? For example, if I search um, online cooking courses. Okay, so see, this is the structured markup results, and see here, the course title is there, how many lectures are there, how many episodes are there, that is also written. uh, Paid or free is written, how many hours of lecture will be there, this is also written, ratings there, reviews are there, um, the trainer name is available here. Okay, so all these details are available on the search results page only. So you can decide from here if you want to join this or not, right? So this is course markup, right? So these course markup is best for websites that offers courses, right? After this comes organization markup. What is organization markup? Any idea about this? Okay. So organization markup actually it gives Google comprehensive information about an organization, right? This includes details such as the organization's name, logo, contact information, location, social media profiles, and other relevant information, right? So Google can use all this information to create a knowledge panel. Any idea about knowledge panel? What is knowledge panel? Anyone? What is knowledge panel and where it appears on results page? Anyone? Karthik?
No, ma'am.
No? Mm, knowledge panel, I'll show you how it looks. For example, let's search for any organization like TCS. Okay, so here you can see the extended meta description of this meta description and site links of this results. And if this is a knowledge panel is available on the right hand side, if I click on this this information that is visible here, this is known as knowledge panel. Okay, this area, this section on the search result page is known as knowledge panel, where there is a brief description about this organization and who is the founder, number of employees, CEO, headquarters, parent organization, foundation date, social media profiles, everything is visible. Okay, so this is known as knowledge panel, right? So this knowledge panel is a you can say it is a special side panel on the right side of the search results page that showcase an organization's key details. Okay, and it appears when someone searches for any company, right? Like if they will search for your company, your company's details will appear in front of them like this. Okay, and offers potential customers or interested parties quick and easy access to essential information about the business, right? So they can decide from the search results page only if they want to connect with you or not, right? So organization schema markup is particularly useful for businesses and non-profits, institutions, and any group seeking to provide clear and direct business related information to users, right? Is it clear? Organization markup is clear. Knowledge panel is also clear, everyone. Any doubt in this? Okay. So after this, after organization markup comes local business markup. Now, what is local business markup? We have discussed this earlier. Who will tell me what is local business markup and where it appears on search result page? Surya, what is local business markup?
I don't know.
Don't know. We have discussed this, but in the first session. No idea?
No.
No. Okay. One second. Local business markup is actually the business details or the business information that is provided by the Google. Okay. So Google business profile we have discussed, right? So local business markup provides Google with detailed information about a local business, right? This includes the business name, address, phone number, and hours of operation, right? For example, if I'll search for IIT coaching in Delhi, these results are known as business results or local business markup results. Okay, this we have discussed in the first session, right? So this is local business markup, and this actually contains all the details about this particular business, right? For example, the ratings are available, reviews are available, the location is available, phone number is there, website is there, direction is there. Direction is also available. If you want to visit the physical location of this institute, you can visit directly, and opening closing hours are available. Okay, if it is online or offline classes, this is also written, right? So all the information is available in this local business markup, right? So what this local business markup is for, it actually provides Google with all the informations, detailed informations about local business, and it will include all these things like name, address, phone number, hours of operations, directions, okay, maps, everything is available. So Google can use this information to create a local knowledge panel which appears when someone searches for your business name, like this, right? So this is the local business markup, and it will also show the Google Maps, okay, if you want to visit the location directly, right? So this markup is particularly important for businesses or websites looking to attract nearby customers. Okay, for example, you have shop, okay, or you are service provider, or you have a restaurant, okay, hotel, something like that. So you can use this local schema markup for your website. Okay, so all the types are clear. Any doubt in any type of schema markup? Anyone? No doubt, all the types of schema markup are clear. Okay, so structured markup is done. Now I'll show you how to add this structured markup to the website. Okay, so for this, one second. Again, I'm sharing my website. Is the website visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, So you have to go to the plugin section because we are using WordPress, so we cannot go into the coding section because we don't understand the codings, right? So we'll go to the plugin section and click on add new plugin. Here we will search for structured या फिर schema markup plugin. Okay, so I've searched for schema markup here. And there are different plugins available. This is the schema and structured data, right, for WP, and it is also compatible with the version of website, WordPress website, okay, that I am using. So we can check the ratings and reviews here. We can check the compatibility, and on the basis of that, we can install and activate this plugin. Okay, so after installing and activating, let's see how it works. There are two versions, free version and pro version. So in the free version you have limited access, and in the pro version you can install any type of schema markup on your website, right? Now it is installed and activated, and let's see, we have okay, so we have this structured data here. Okay, let's see what are the schema types available here. Um, okay, we'll go to the settings section, right? So here you have to update which is the page on which you want to um, set the schema markup. Okay, site link search box, if you want in the search results you can add this here, website schema. If you want to add schema markup to your home page, you can click at means you can take the checkbox here. Okay, and after this, this is the um, one second, if you want to add the knowledge graph. Okay, so knowledge graph or knowledge panel of your website, if someone searches for your business, for your organization, or uh, you as in person, if they search on certain result page and you want a separate knowledge panel should appear in front of your users, so how will you do that? This is the knowledge graph option available here. This you can use for free. Okay, so here you have to select which type of schema knowledge graph you want, for organization or for a person. Okay, if you are selecting organization here, you have to type all the details related to your organization here, and if you select a person here, so you have to type all the details related to that person here, right? And click on save settings. Okay, but you can only process for it through this plugin. It is up to the Google if it wants to means show the result on the search and result page in the rich format or not. Okay, it depends totally on the Google. Okay, and how you optimize your website. Okay, it depends on that too. Okay, is this clear how to create knowledge graph or knowledge panel of your organization on search result page? Process is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, mm, if you want other types of schema markup, like see, these are the premium schema types. Okay, if you want WooCommerce schema markup, core schema, real estate schema, event schema, recipe schema. Okay, Q&A, FAQ, job posting, reviews. Okay, click indexing, API integrations, classified plugins compatibility. If you want these type of schema markups, you have to upgrade, and you can add these schema types on your website. Okay, so this is available in premium features, right? This is the schema types and schema markup. Okay, this is all about structured data. Okay, everything is clear. Anyone wants to ask anything related to structured data or schema markup? No.
Ma'am,
Yes.
there in the, what you have displayed the website, there it is showing an email schema now, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't go through it, no, ma'am. Email schema or compatibilities,
Oh, okay, okay.
AMP.
I'll share that too. Okay, you have to just check and uncheck for this. 1 second, I'm sharing that too. See, this is the global we have done, right? Then AMP we have. So we have to, if you want to use this option, you can means you can check or uncheck this. Okay. So structured data for AMP we will discuss what is that. AMP is actually for mobile optimized website, right? Means a website version that we optimize for the mobile version, right? So if you want the structured data for that too, if you can check this. Okay, non-AMP Kalia, you have to check this one, and this is for custom schema, right? So you if you have AMP and non-AMP versions of your website, then you can add this too. Okay, we will discuss in detail what is AMP or non-AMP version, right? Any idea about this? What is AMP or no non-AMP versions?
No, no, ma'am.
Accelerated mobile pages. This is actually used for um, speeding up your website on mobile versions. Okay, for that we use AMPs. Okay, we'll discuss this in the next session. What is this? Then we have review markups. Okay, so you can upload reviews from, means whatever reviews you have got on your website, you can upload that file here, and the reviews will appear on the search and result page, right? So you can directly upload that file here, right? Then compatibility means if you have installed any SEO plugin on your website. I have installed Yoast SEO, so it is showing the compatibility with Yoast SEO plugin, right? If you will install any other SEO plugin, so it will show the compatibility with that plugin. Okay, if it is compatible with that or not, right? Then we have schema, email schema, right? So email schema is for WooCommerce booking. Okay, this is not an e-commerce website, so I have not checked this checkbox. Okay, then in the advanced section you have to um, check this box on the basis of what type of settings you want in the schema markup, right? So that you can select from here. If you want allow image resizing, images on post, that we have seen here now. For example, here the images, when we search for paneer recipes, we got images in the results, right? So if we want this result, if we want this image in the result, we can we can use this add all available images on the post. Okay, or the slider will be there for your images. Okay, so this is how these are the different options. If you want to resize the images, okay, if you want to defragment the schema markups, okay, if you want to add schema markup in the footer, okay. So all these settings are available. You can select these settings on the basis of your requirement, right? And these are the different schema plugins available in the schema types available in the premium feature, that also you can import if you want, right? So this is the premium feature. After this, we have this premium features we have discussed, and we have services. So these are the different services: Google News, schema setup, priority support, structured data setup, and error cleanup. If you want to try this plugins, you can add this too. Okay. and this is the support section of this plugin. Clear? Now it is clear. Any doubt in this, Kartik?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear, ma'am. But we can use priority support and we can use it for free only, no, ma'am.
Yes, you can use it or for free also, but some types are available in only premium features. Like knowledge panel, you can create for free. Okay, but if you want WooCommerce plugin or reviews markup, that you have for that you have to pay or you have to upgrade that plugin. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So
Thank you, ma'am.
these were the types of schema markups, right? So you have to do it practically. What about your websites? Is everyone website completed? Yes or no? No one is responding.
Yes, ma'am.
It is completed. Surya, can you share the link of your website in the chat box?
Yes.
Please share your website links in the chat box. Okay. Varnita has already shared the link with me. Okay. So others, please share the link of your websites in the chat box. Karthik, is your website completed?
No, not yet, ma'am.
Not yet.
Little bit work is done. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just share the link in the chat box. I will check.
Okay.
Okay, and Anirban, you have to. You
Yes,
also
ma'am.
have.
Actually, yeah, ma'am. Actually, I was not available for two classes, so
Okay,
I couldn't have to go up. So I will do, ma'am.
you will do. Okay, so by the next
Sorry,
session, can I expect? Yes, yes, Vanita.
sorry, ma'am. I missed it. Like what you said.
I was telling to share the link of website. You have already shared, so
Yes,
don't
yes,
worry
yeah.
about that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Then Anirban, can I expect your website by the next session? Yes or
Actually,
no?
ma'am, I have because last class, last two classes I have not done. Actually, I need to see it and then I will do, ma'am.
Okay, but I have not actually discussed about the website in the last two sessions. It
Okay,
was
okay, ma'am.
about the no, we have discussed this in the second session, second or third session, I think.
Okay, ma'am.
So
I will do.
yes.
But can I means this website details? Can I get the details actually? Details is what to make like that. Actually,
You can select any topic. You can select any
okay,
topic if you means of your interest, and you can
hmm?
create website on that. Okay, and if you
Okay, ma'am.
have any query related to that, you can first check the recorded sessions. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
I have told every detail about creating the website, and still if you
That was
don't
in second class, ma'am.
yes, I think second and third session we have discussed this WordPress website. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
and
Okay,
still
ma'am.
if you have any query, you can ask me in the next session. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, yes. And what about Ashrujit? Is your website completed? Ashrujit?
यस मैम मैंने तो कुछ में क्लास मिस कर दिया बट
हाँ
क्लास मिस किया फुल फुल क्लास किया नहीं
हाँ
मैंने इसे पहले बनाया था उसी को लिंक भेजा आज
हाँ जी, आप वो लिंक शेयर कर दीजिए मुझे, ठीक है, चैट बॉक्स में. ओके, सो प्लीज शेयर योर लिंक्स. सूर्या, आई हैव नॉट रिसीव्ड योर लिंक yet.
Yeah, I have shared to. Sorry.
Karthik, you also. Please share your links. I'll check your websites today.
Ma'am, I will share it in the dashboard, ma'am.
In the dashboard? Okay, okay, I'll check there.
Dashboard or WhatsApp group, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll check there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And okay, okay, I have received Surya's link also. Okay,
I didn't do anything. I just created.
okay, okay. I'll check. I'll check.
Okay.
Okay, this is this Surya's website, and okay, Karthik will send on the dashboard, right? Okay. So, okay, let's wind up the session for today, and we will discuss the website AMP first, and the how to enhance the website speed. These two topics we will cover in the next session. Okay.
Ma'am, do we have any tasks to complete?
Today you don't have any task, but yes, you have to write an article on your website. Okay, related to
Okay, so
whatever is your, yes.
yeah, so any topic, right?
Yes, any topic you can pick, but in that
Okay,
topic
ma'am.
you have
Hmm.
to when you are writing the content, you have to optimize it, the on page SEO,
Mm-hmm.
means the things we have discussed related to on page SEO, right? So you have to actually optimize your content on the basis of that, whatever we
So
have discussed.
basically the SEO friendly, right? We have to.
Yes, correct,
Okay,
correct.
okay,
On
good.
page
Yeah,
optimization you have to do, right?
ठीक है ma'am. Okay,
Okay. So let's wind up the session for today, and please complete the task by the next session. Okay, everyone. Task is
sure.
clear?
Thanks.
Yes, yes. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. Let's wind up the session for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.